And let's summarize everything using this table. If you have forget everything that I've said, make sure that you put down this table, this graph. This graph is a summary of everything that I've said. So let's summarize this with just the graph. So let's summarize and let's contradict, let's differentiate, let's expand and look into exam focus. What will happen? Where examiners major questions come from. So here I will generate thousands of questions that are going to drop in the comment section below. I won't answer many of them. So here first, let's start with the pituitary hormones. The pituitary hormones normally secretes the progesterone and the estrogen, which we all knows. So during ovulation, what will happen? There is a rise in LH surge. So LH surge means increase in utilizing hormone. This utilizing hormone is a sign that ovulation is about to take place. Now look at this graph. This graph now points towards the ovulation area. So the ovulation area simply means there will be rise of what? LH, which is utilizing hormone, before ovulation can take place. And remember, this is the follicle stimulating hormone and the estrogen. What is happening? This follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone, what is happening? What is their function? Their function is to develop the follicular cells. So look at this phase. The phase move from primordial follicular cells to primary follicular cells to secondary follicular cells to Graafian follicular cells. It is done by what? The follicle stimulating hormone and the luteinizing hormone that is being secreted by the anterior pituitary hormone. And from there, before ovulation occur, there is rise of what? LH surge, or there is rise of luteinizing hormone. Then from there, this follicle stimulating hormone, if fertilization occurs, they will start producing progesterone. But if fertilization does not occur, they will degenerate. So this is now the corpus luteum that is now empty, and they now start absorbing fat molecules, giving it its yellowish appearance. So from there, this corpus luteum degenerates if fertilization does not occur for about 10 days. After 10 days, and it now leave a scar leading to the formation of the corpus umbilicus. Now from there, we now have the uterine phase. So during the uterine phase, what is happening? The stratum functionalis, this is the menstrual phase, it will start degenerating, it will start breaking down, because there is no progesterone that is being secreted anymore. If fertilization do not occur in the ovarian cycle, or if fertilization do not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates to form corpus umbilicus. So there is no progesterone that is secreted. Therefore, the stratum functionalis starts degenerating. So proliferatory phase, the stratum functionalis starts forming again. So as they start forming, what does that signifies? There is now increase in what? Progesterone and estrogen and luteinizing hormone. This will now lead to proliferative phase. From there, we now lead to ovulation, and ovulation is now increase in what? Luteinizing hormone. And ovulation now release what? The egg from the surface of the ovary to the fallopian tube. From there, we now have the secretory phase, which begins from 15 to 28 days. And during this phase, if fertilization actually occurred, will now lead to secretion of more progesterones, and it will now lead to the development of the phase. If fertilization does not occur, it will just degenerates. If fertilization occurs, it will now become more vascular and more nutritive for implementation.